Good morning, guys. I just thought I would show you. My husband did get the extra shelf out, and this is what's left. It's going to take some, oh, I do see some glass. Let me see. I'm not really sure what's going on here, but it looks like most of my herbs are okay. Fan's going to dry out the closet. Let's see here if I can get. Can you see the separations in the boards? That's where it got wet. Now, that shelf was completely empty last night. Holy cow, I got more herbs than I thought I did. It was empty. And the one that sits there, well, there, underneath the window itself, I thought, okay, let me tell you what I thought. Since this is particle board, these shelves, I thought that that one would absorb it, and I thought we could get that one out, so I unloaded it, okay? Everything is in my bedroom. Well, what happened was, when my husband came in the window, he was doing, he was shutting off the breaker to the water. He came in and he used the shelf that broke to balance himself, and that's why it fell apart. So he was nice enough to get all my stuff. Ooh, you know what I just thought of? My crystal circle. Oh, crap. I had a crystal circle on the top, and oh, gee whiz. Well, oops. Well, yeah, I do see some chips of glass. Chip of glass. Oh dear. Maybe that's what that is. Not sure. But anyway, I had a working crystal grid, and can you say I don't see it anymore? Wow. Okay, well, guys, you know where I'm going to be for the next day and a half. That's my altar table. Oops, baby. Oops, come on. There we go. That's my altar table. I had to completely take it apart. Well, not take it apart, but the altar cloth that was on it, yeah, the altar cloth is in the dryer. So, I guess I better get busy. What do you say? Yeah. Busy. Okay, guys. I just wanted you to see my husband didn't quite leave it as bad as it looked. But, yeah. Bad, Mary. Really, really bad. Oh. Okay, guys. Love you. Talk to you later. Bye.